Life is love and family. It is also elegance and composure. Life is career and hard work. It is also about cleanliness and beauty. Life is an unwavering passion. It is also about safety and protection. Life takes on many forms. It is our passion that brings us together. Hutt window cleaning robot, brightening up your life. We are always dedicated to creating products that truly meet your needs, making your life cleaner, more elegant, and safer. We've never stopped the pace of innovation, even though this journey is destined to be arduous. We've mastered multiple core window cleaning robot technologies and has won 8 government high-tech certifications and awards, including the National High-Tech Enterprise Certificate and the Specialized, Refined, Characteristic, and Innovative SME in Beijing.
Obtained 83 authorized patents and 13 software copyrights.
Hutt has grown into a professional and innovative brand of window cleaning robots. We're involved in formulating the national industry standards for window cleaning robots, committed to promoting the healthy development of the industry. We strive for higher quality, aiming to create premium products that better meet your needs. From the first variable frequency window cleaning robot to a more versatile and more efficient new generation AI variable frequency window cleaning robot, to pursue the ultimate cleaning experience is our consistent original aspiration. The goal of creating better products and serving more families drives us to constantly strive for excellence. We've provided users in over 50 countries worldwide with intelligent window cleaning robot products. Hutt has won the trust and love of global partners and users. In the future, we won't stop moving forward, uphold every lifestyle, bring cleanliness to every household. Hutt, pursue the ultimate cleaning experience.